Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download OpenAI API. To download OpenAI API, you'll first need to sign in with an OpenAI account on the OpenAI platform website. If you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your preferred web browser and then in the URL box type in platform.openai.com. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. You'll also need to sign in with your OpenAI account if you're not yet. After you are signed in, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner and scroll all the way down and tap on your profile icon at the bottom. You'll be able to see a pop-up. From there, select View API Keys. Now click on Create New Secret Key and then go ahead and type in a name you'd like to name for your secret key and then tap on Create Secret Key. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new secret key. Make sure to save the API key as soon as possible by tapping on this little copy button on the right corner and paste it somewhere safe where no one will be able to access to it. After you are done, tap on Done. And that is how you'll be able to download OpenAI API or generate a secret key. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.